flower.
Hello and welcome to Storytime with Miss Bethany. I'm Miss Bethany. I work at the Beaverton City Library. Today we are going to talk about flowers. I love seeing all the pretty flowers outside. Before we say our rhyme, we are going to talk about the parts of a flower. So right down here at the bottom, what are these? Those are the roots. And the roots draw water from the soil. So the water goes up the roots. And then this part is the stem. So the stem supports the flower and carries nutrients and water to the leaves. The leaves use light from the sun to turn nutrients from the soil into food in a process called photosynthesis. These parts in here are the stamen and pistil, the male and female parts of a plant that produce and receive pollen to make more flowers. And then the flower and the petals attract insects and birds. These animals spread pollen from flower to flower, which helps the flowers produce new seeds. So next time you see some flowers, see if you can find, you might not see the roots because they're under the ground, but you'll see the stem, the leaves, the petals, and then the part with the pollen, the pistil, and the stamen. All right, we have these flowers here. How many flowers do we have? Can you help me count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 pretty flowers in the meadow grew. I said, I bet they smell pretty too. I bent down to sniff, but they tickled my nose. Choo! And away one blows. Oh, now how many flowers? We had 5, we took away 1, I sneezed away 1. How many flowers do we have left? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 pretty flowers in the meadow grew. I said, I bet they smell pretty too. I bent down to sniff, but they tickled my nose. Choo! And away one blows. Oh my. Okay, we had 4 flowers. Now how many do we have? 1, 2, 3. 3 pretty flowers in the meadow grew. I said, I bet they smell pretty too. I bent down to sniff, but they tickled my nose. Choo! And away one flower blows. Oh no, we had 3 flowers. I sneezed away 1. How many do we have left? 1, 2. 2 pretty flowers in the meadow grew. I said, I bet they smell pretty too. I bent down to sniff, but they tickled my nose. Choo! And away one flower blows. Oh no, we had 2 flowers. I sneezed away 1. How many are left? Just 1 flower. 1 pretty flower in the meadow grew. I said, I bet they smell pretty too. I bent down to sniff, but they tickled my nose. This is a big one. Choo! And away that last flower blows. Oh dear, we had 1 flower. I sneezed it away. How many are left? No more flowers. Thanks for sharing that rhyme with me. We'll see you next time. Goodbye.